and welcome back in Sant'Agata Bolognese. Yes, that's my sticker, and yes, that's the Lamborghini factory. Sadly, as you already know, Lamborghini is doing some extensive roadworks just in front of the Porta Sud gate. So for the time being, we are stuck here. But hey, not a big deal. Now let's wait for some interesting cars. Very well, let's go with the first one. Okay, not bad. Very well, we should have the first Temerario of the day. Aha, okay, dual tone spec for the Temerario here. So, that should be a Urus SE. Yeah, fairly usual spec. Okay, nothing special honestly, but stay with me cause we have a Temerario. Yes, much better, right? Let's see another hybrid one. Oh yeah, finally, a Revuelto! Oh my god, what a spec! Guys, check this out, I think we have a British green Urus SE. Yes, definitely, and with the orange calipers too. Oh, no way! Is that a prototype or a test new? Camouflage Temerario for you all! We do have something hiding behind the truck. Oh wow, beautiful shade of blue! Okay, launch pack for this one. Finally, a friendly test driver. Oh, the startup! Thanks! Hold up, wait a minute, is that a grey Huracan Tecnica by any means? Why? What's going on today? But yeah, I'm gonna miss the Huracan lineup so much. Hey, time for a new spec on the Temerario. Well, nice Ferrari, I should say. Yes, that should be another Urus SE. Wow, check out the matte purple paint job. How cool is that? Now that was definitely a first for me. Wow, okay, matte orange Urus SE. Okay, not that bad, but guys, wanna see something much more interesting? It's the sponsor of today's video, Ottocast, with their brand new mirror touch. And trust me when I say I wanted something like this for years. I bet you are already familiar with the usual Android Auto app or CarPlay connection on the most recent cars. It could be wired, just like in my Hyundai, or wireless, as in my girlfriend's Toyota. But either way, the connection takes a lot of time, not every app is supported, and most importantly, you can't watch videos or movies while on the go. Well, this is why the Ottocast Mirror Touch is so revolutionary and is here to completely change how you connect your phone to your car's head unit. This little device is one of the smartest upgrades you can ever make to your car. Inside the box you will find everything you need. The mirror touch unit, a handy-dandy USB-C to USB-A adapter, and the user manual. Installation process and setup time? Forget about it. It literally takes 5 seconds to plug the cables both into your car and your phone. And that's it! Your phone is now mirrored directly into your car's screen. No apps, no complicated setup, no nothing. And watch how smooth it is, with super low latency. And wanna know the best part? It perfectly works with both Android and Apple iOS, so whether you are Team iPhone or Android, you just connect the cable and you are ready to go. Yes, you can regularly use Google Maps or Waze for navigation, stream music from Spotify or Apple Music, just as you would with a normal Android Auto or CarPlay connection. But not only, it's way faster and you can access all the apps on your phone, you can also fire up YouTube or Netflix and watch your favorite movies while on the go, all controlled from your car's touchscreen. How cool is that? Now, compared to the other mirroring devices I've tried, this is easily the fastest and the most versatile, as it fully mirrors your device into your head unit. And don't forget, it can also be used as a wireless Android Auto or CarPlay adapter, so that you can get rid of your wired connection, just like me with my Hyundai. So if you're looking to make your car smarter without going crazy and wasting time and money, definitely check out the Mirror Touch from Ottocast store. You will find all the links in the pinned comment down below. And now back to Lambos with this orange Urus SE. Let's go, yellow Temerario! And it was dual tone, black and yellow, once again. Now that I think about it, I might have already seen this one on YouTube, yeah? Oh, no way, another matte one! Let's see, guys, I think it's time for another hybrid V12. Yes, indeed, but again, nothing too crazy. Now, is that a launch spec Urus SE on Italian plates? Yes, sir! It definitely is. Oh, wait, is that a Urus S? Okay, unexpected, but I will take it. Yo, an orange Revuelto! Oh, wait, and it's not alone! What a crazy combo was that! Oh, another Urus SE! Dark blue, okay. Aha, that is definitely another Revuelto. And it is quite a noisy one. Love it! Okay, that was one of the black and yellow ones from before. Okay, I think we might have another Revuelto. Oh, the startup! Okay, another Urus SE in white. Yo, check out the spec on this one. Oh my god, oh yes, combo! But guys, did you see the brown interior in that one? And of course the white SE with the Revuelto, oh my god! That was a next level combo, but the spec on the first Urus SE was the best. Wow, beautiful one! Wait, oh my god, another yellow Temerario! Wait just a moment, because I think I've heard something here. Oh, yeah, it's a Urus, check it out. Ooh, finally, a Revuelto. Bye! Why can't all the test drivers be like that? Happy and friendly, mostly friendly, yeah. Hold up, I think I've heard something kinda... Yes! And it was indeed a red Temerario. Rosso Corsa, anyone? Holy moly, that's amazing! I love this color. Okay, not bad, but I think I've also heard an hybrid V12, and there it is! Let's go! Okay, and with this one, guys, I think we are really done. It's getting way too hot for me. Now, as always, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed all the cars and see you in a few days.